Who makes the best 1/0 OFC wire? High Five Vegas post here, or video. So he's doing this 1/0 shootout. So it's pretty cool that he's doing this, but I want to let you guys know that the best 1/0 wire, it's not 1/0 wire. Right here, $351 a foot, EB Flex, electronbeam.com welding cable. This is a shipped price, and you got 3/0, and we use a ton of 4/0 here. So we use tons of 4/0, tons of 2/0. We occasionally use some 1/0 and some other stuff. Usually I'll use like 1 gauge for 4 gauge, and I'll like just cut it down a little bit. So yeah, if you guys want the best 1/0 car audio wire, it's 2/0 welding cable. That's what you want to get. And this is a shipped price per foot. This is a local company. It's out of Illinois. And you put in your required length. And so here's another thing for you guys that a lot of people don't know. If you're doing large orders, call them. They will hook you up with a good price. EB Flex is awesome. I've worked with them for many years, and they'll get you a better price than this right here. So you want the best, that's where I suggest to go. Thanks for watching.